in Bedford County. And that will probably be the new severe thunderstorm.
Oh my gosh. That will be the new severe Oh, that's awesome. Wow. You just got completely interrupted.
The National Weather Service still has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Smith County in Middle Tennessee.
That'll be our new severe
damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The locations impacted include Smithville, Woodbury, Watertown.
That's what Shortwave actually did, the ASORs.
And State Park, Milton and Mackeyville. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 260 and 267. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm winds and rivers bring tornadoes in with significant damage.
Continues here. Severe winds up to 60, maybe 70 miles.
Dude, they literally just interrupted her. Wow.